Hello, friends. Continuing with our discussion on numerology. What is numerology? Numerology is the study of metaphysical meaning of numbers. What is metaphysics? Metaphysics, it deals with the nature of existence, its knowledge and truth. That is knowing everything about the existence, that is truth behind our existence. Using the meaning of numbers, we can find divine connection between destiny, events and people. That is reason why, that is reason which is given by supreme power, why specific events are destined to happen with specific people. There is a reason and connection between events, destiny and people. Every karmic lesson has a number, and today I'll discuss with you about karmic debt number 40. The first message given to these people is to stick with it, because they find very hard to focus. Number 5 people, they are born adventurous and escapists. This is especially true with destiny number 5. So you need to learn to focus whether on love, career, people, family, friends, health, everything in your life you need to focus. These people, they have the tendency to jump in relationships just to find someone else more interesting. And the message here is, please don't. Stop giving excuses. Stop bouncing around. Journey of number 5 is to have adventure, while journey of karmic debt number 14 is to find the balance. Have adventure, but be responsible and committed to. You are an escapist. And you are not just escaping with travel, but you may be finding other methods as a means to escape. From food to alcohol to sex, whatever comes in between. You are doing something in excess just to run away and avoid responsibility. Overindulging rarely, once in a while, is fine, but next day you should realize that it should not be something to do every day or even every month. So other message which is associated with this number is to have control over your fears. Number 5, they are fearless adventurers, and they will find, because of this quality, they might be suffering in other areas of their life. They would find it very difficult to stick in their jobs. So they are afraid of being dependent or burden on their family or spouse. They might be afraid of escaping in excess, and this way they have the fear that if they overindulge in something, they might harm themselves or they change for worse. So don't run away from your problems. Face them head on. You can design workarounds. That is, find alternate solutions to your problems. For example, if you cannot stick to particular job, you can find changeable job. um, I met a person in Kashmir. He was number 14, so he had left his job just for his passion for traveling. He was not getting leave, so he quit the job, and then he decided that he would be the caterer to the tourists, and he has been pursuing his passion for traveling through this newfound job. So there are many alternatives you can have. You can indulge in safer activities. You can develop new hobby, or you can uh, find some TV show, interesting TV show, which you can rewatch again and again. So find the solutions. Thank you.